Today we are gonna show you about our Nerf guns. This is the Maverick. It has it's a 7-dart drum. To reload it with bullets, like I'm gonna show you the new Elite bullet. You just push it out and you put it inside and you push like this, and then you can get ready and shoot. There. This gun is this reflex. Now there is another reflex gun that is yellow color. The only bullet you can use is this kind of bullet. It's the Whistler dart. So you just put it there and you reload and shoot. Okay. The next gun is the Rampage. Okay. It has a 25 drum. It's from the Strike Elite, and it has the Elite design. This Elite bullet goes 75 feet. Okay, and you shoot like this. Thank you. Okay, hello guys. Today I'm gonna talk about my Rampage. It's my Christmas present and it's very precious. I really like it because it's an Strike Elite and the bullet plus the gun can go 75 feet. And also it has a 25 drum magazine. And also it has an emergency rotor that turns to let the bullet go out. And you can put anything with this holder. Like example, I put a laser here. And it's very good. It's a slam fire. See? Oh, sorry. Push back. There's also a jam hose here. Okay, what does that thing do? It makes the bullet, so if the bullet is stuck, like example, like when you're weak, so you just do like this, so you like this. So then 2 bullets will go at a time, right? So it shouldn't be like that. So some of the bullets get tear. So you can just open it up, and then you can take the bullet out. Make sure 1 bullet at a time. So to make this thing, remember to always close this thing before you fire or before you put the drum magazine inside.
So what do you plan to do with your Nerf gun?
I plan to modify it when I'm older, like 14, or when I'm an adult.
Are there any things you want to share about your history?
Yes.
How you started to know Nerf guns?
I knew about Nerf guns at about 2009. So I started buying the Maverick. So that was my first Nerf gun I had. I mean my Thunderstorm. I mean my Tornado Storm. It's my first Nerf gun I ever had. It's kind of gigantic. It's a water gun. That's the first Nerf gun I've ever had to keep my memory, but now I lost it. And also for my 2011 sister's birthday, my uncle gave a small guns, 11 small guns for my sister's birthday. My sister didn't like it, so she gave it to me. And also,
not really, you all just snatched it away from the box. We all stopped playing with it.
And also, I got my younger brother got the Maverick because he bought it because he liked it, so he just got it for his birthday last year. And I have a Maverick too, and it's kind of small, but I just got it to like December 2012, and so for Christmas I got a bigger gun, and it's called the Extra Elite Rampage. And I love this gun because it goes 75 feet, and I'm not gonna break it or do anything bad to it. Oh, sorry. Thank you.